All right, yes, sir.
Okay. Sure. You.
Is it okay if I bet?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir. What's your name again?
Derby.
Derby. How are you doing, Derby? So we are here now at Hart Community College, and we're providing such services with all the people that have been serving us all this time, the veterans, the armed forces, and so on and so forth. So right now we have hero dogs.
I'm Gary King.
Gary, nice to meet you. All right, thank you. Thanks for being here. And so we got hero dogs here. There we go. Derby, right?
This is Hero Dogs Derby.
Derby. Okay, sounds good. Derby. All right, cool. So, what's hero dogs? I mean, I think generally speaking, we have an idea.
Yeah.
Here to share more of what you guys do.
So Hero Dogs, we raise and train and place skilled canine companions with disabled veterans and first responders, free of charge for the life of the dog. So we train the dog to about 2 years old, and then all is going well. They're hooked up with their partner, and they get additional training and work together for another 6 months to a year. And then the partner, if any new needs develop over time, the partner can come back and get additional training. The dog will get additional training for that partnership for the life of the dog.
For us outside looking in, when you're training them specifically for veterans, what are some of the specific things that you guys are training them?
So it runs a whole range of things. A lot of it is mobility. So the dogs are trained to pick things up. You drop your keys, you drop an envelope. The dog can pick that up and hand it to you. The dogs also learn to brace. So if you have some mobility issues, the dog will help you stand up, help you downstairs. Obviously emotional support, and all the dogs are trained for PTSD as well. So the dog will be trained for particular veterans' cues. So some sigh or some tap their feet, and the dog will be trained to recognize that and be able to come and intervene. Similarly, the dogs get help if there's hearing issues. So the phone rings, and the veteran can't hear it, the dog can hear it and go and alert the veteran that something's going on.
That's awesome. Wow. And I thought all this time it was only from a companionship point of view, and it's not to diminish that, but all the things that you just identified right now.
The goal is to really help people live full and active lives. So the dogs really can help to do that, partly because of the companionship and because it helps get the person out into the world again, because the dog needs that exercise, needs to be doing things, and then the dog just can help with all those little tasks that might be difficult, whether it's pushing a button or picking things up.
That's awesome. And yes, these little tasks that we take for granted when we're rather able, if you may. I mean, for example, for us from a physical therapy field, like what you said in terms of mobility and just reaching down if you drop something, these are very important things. And I have a brother who's visually impaired, and he had the guide dog.
Yes.
And so it's the same thing of being able to walk safely and so on and so forth. But I'm glad I interviewed you guys so that I have a better idea of the things that you guys do. So are you guys non-profit, I assume?
We are a non-profit, yes, a 501c
organization. And so what we want to know is, being non-profit, we want to go ahead and share to all of our viewers right now, how can we go ahead and support you guys for the awesome stuff that you've done?
Right, so the best thing to do is to go to our website, which is www.hero-dogs.org. We're always looking for volunteers. We're mainly a volunteer organization. Obviously fundraising helps as well, but the most important thing is being able to come and help us. And there are volunteers that do all sorts of things, from coming to events like this, to helping in the office, to helping puppy sit, to helping puppy raise. I'm actually on staff at Hero Dogs now, but I started out there as a volunteer puppy raiser. So bringing a dog into your house and into your life for about 18 months. So that's the best way.
That's the best way to go about it. So again, that's hero-dogs.org. dogs.org.
That's right.
All right, great, thank you.
Yeah, and if you know a veteran or a first responder that needs a dog, that's also, we're always looking
To fill that void, yes. And again, and that's why we're doing these interview series for everyone. Again, enough about us, but all the other good people that's helping the community members to be, as you mentioned, to be agile, to be mobile, and the overall wellness, if you may, of having this companion in the growth. So, and with that, again, we salute everybody that's been in service, their loved ones, and of course all the others that's helping them out, like Hero Dogs and the Service Derby. Yeah, thank you. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next few videos here.
All right, great. Thank you. Thanks for
Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Where is this going to be broadcast somewhere?
It went live, and I'm going to. Are you guys on Facebook?
Yes.
Okay. And then I'm going to tag you guys accordingly